And Anete hands over to Ladi as he walks in with the crypto market and see if crypto is doing better than equities this morning. Yesterday was extreme fear.
Extreme fear.
And we're still there, extreme fear.
No, we're actually better, surprisingly, this morning. It's actually,
what drove that?
We know how Fridays can be, But
but Friday is normally red.
It's normally red, but now, we've had a poor week, from the beginning. We see Bitcoin struggling all through the week, so I guess we're getting that respite, for Friday, getting some
I didn't know investors are still taking advantage of, the reduction and all that, because sentiments are not very predictable at this time.
So once they see those cheap prices, we see them snap up that cheap Bitcoin. And we see the look at the sentiment there. Fear Greed Index this morning, we see it's at 26 points of 100. Better than what we had yesterday. We know we had extreme fear yesterday. We see the market cap, $858.20 billion there. That's up 2.14%. And we see volume traded, $37.82 billion. That's Bitcoin and the altcoins, all together. That's the volume traded. We see price of Bitcoin this morning, $17,224. That's up 2.41%. We saw the upward correction from that $16,700 level. We saw Bitcoin there get above 17K to 17,200. Big jump there. Volume traded $20.90 billion. And we see the price of Ethereum also there, $1,280. That's up bigger by 4.10% this morning. We see the top alts by market cap, all green. So it's a green market we're having this Friday. Hopefully that continues throughout the end of the day. Let's talk to Gilbert Jokpata now, financial market analyst. Hello, Gilbert.
Good morning.
Good morning, Gilbert. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's a green Friday. But let's talk about staking pools. Now, we see Chainlink's staking pool drew about $170 million in 2 days, despite the bear market. What drove that?
I love bear markets, not just because I have opportunity to buy asset at discounted rate, but because it's easier to spot assets to avoid, because the hype is down, and even way easier to find a battle-tested assets or projects which are building through the bear market at discounted rate. For Chainlink here, they have kept building through the bear market, especially with this economic 2.0 plan, which is to create more of a vicious circle to increase the value of the network, fuel adoption of decentralized services, and then growth of Web 3.0 ecosystem. While this they are taking is an initiative for this Chainlink Economic 2.0 that enables token holders and node operators to earn a reward for securing the network of about 4.7% annual reward. But yet, they did not just raise over 170 million. They were able to fill the staking pool within the limited period of time, just I think about 2 days. And this is an indication that despite the bear market, there is still an overwhelming interest for projects that are still building through the bear market. The numbers are quite interesting for Chainlink because they are down by about 65%. There was a decline of about 10% in this week. So this staking pool actually represents the Chainlink strength, community, and interest on the network. Despite whatever may be happening to price, there are people who still look at the intrinsic value they bring to the marketplace.
What are you expecting next week?
For Chainlink?
No, for the price of Bitcoin, we're seeing good price action this morning.
I just have to look at what the Feds may do, looking more of both things. But despite this, we may actually see the price have a test, maybe to the 16K zone. But once that is done, we may see Bitcoin move about maybe 18,200. But I'm still expecting a short-term pullback, maybe at around 16 or below 16.
Thank you so much. That was Gilbert Jokpata there. We'll be watching how the market actually plays out today into the weekend. Maybe the weekend pumps might actually come up. Do you see the weekend pumps coming up this weekend?
Very likely. Very likely. It's already building momentum. if we just find emotions like sentiment change and people see that, okay, prices are looking healthy, it's normal for us to have the remaining 90% of people FOMO into the market. So I'm not actually taking a possible price surge above this from still happening this weekend. It's still possible.
All right, that's it there. Thank you so much. That was Gilbert Japata giving us the details. So, it's there might be, weekend pumps this morning. There's a possibility because it's been a tough week.
Just a possibility.
Just a possibility.
So you don't break hearts this weekend.
Exactly. So we'll just watch out for that.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ladi. See you at 1:30 for Business Incorporated.